Let me tell you a short story. A student from Hyderabad, middle class family and engineering graduate. His parents took an education loan of 40 to 45 lakhs. He studied day and night and got a job in the US. Everything was perfect. And then his future depended on a lottery system. No exam, no interview, just luck. And sadly, he didn't get selected. So if you're planning to study or work in the US, this video is for you because that lottery system is changing now. I'm Mohan. Welcome back to Virtual Visa, your trusted partner for visa information, travel tips, and immigration updates. Let's jump right into the topic. In this video, I'll explain what H1B lottery system was, why the US is ending it, and what is the new system looks like, and what Indian students and professionals must do now. No legal language, no fear pitching, just reality. Let's be honest. For many Indians, the US dream means career growth, financial stability, supporting family back home, and for better lifestyle. And the H1B visa is a main gateway for that. And the problem is, US issues only 85,000 visas every year. For that, over 4 to 5 lakh applications being submitted year on year. Majority from India. So what did the US do? They said, okay, let's do a lottery system. And that's where the problem started. Under the old system, a fresher earning 60,000 USD and a senior engineer earning 1,50,000 USD, same chance, same lottery. And add this, some consultancy filed 10 to 20 applications for one person, fake job offers, low salary and system abuse. Genuine candidates suffered a lot because of this system. Many Indian students lost all three lottery attempts, had to return to India with lots of loan pressure and heartbreak. I personally know people who did everything right. They had real job, they had skills, but still lost because luck failed them. And that's when the US government said this system is broken. Now listen carefully. This lottery system is not fully gone, but the randomness is gone. The new system is merit based. All the applications are ranked based on salary offered, job level, and role importance. Basically, higher salary is equal to higher priority. Fake consultancies lose power, low paying jobs drop down, and skilled professionals move up. This is a massive shift. The US is clearly saying we want real talent, not cheap labor. Who benefits from this new system? Skilled IT professional, AI, data science and cloud engineers, experienced developers, and product based company employees. If you're genuinely skilled, this new change actually helps you. Who struggles with this new change? Low paying roles, consultancy based jobs, people depending only on luck. This doesn't mean freshers are finished. It means skill matters more than ever. Let me be very honest. For students, don't choose US just for visa. Choose in-demand courses. Build strong projects. Focus on internships. For professionals, upskill in niche technologies. Avoid shady consultancies. Target quality companies. A system where skills matter, hard work matters, and luck matters less. If you're serious, disciplined, and focused, your US dream is still alive. So, yes, the lottery dream is ending and the better dream is starting. If this video helped you, please like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Virtual Visa. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notification on all my future videos. And thanks for watching. I'm Mohan, signing off.